para mabigyan ng solusyon. Yun nga lang, kung talagang gagawin nila ang trabaho nila, i-implement nila ng maayos ang security plan at i-sustain. Kasi pag hindi implement ng maayos, hindi i-sustain, kahit gaano kaganda yung security plan na gagawin natin, without any implementation ay walang mangyayari sa ating lugar. So that's what I'm asking to our Chief of Police, since you are the officer in command with all the other units in JIDF, na talagang to strictly implement all the laws na meron tayo, especially dito sa firearms law, sa illegal drugs, the traffic rules and regulations, and other laws na talagang nagiging root cause ng mga iba't ibang krimen. And of course, also to monitor, dapat i-strengthen din natin ang intelligence unit natin dito sa mga terrorists na who intended to do some mga terroristic activities in the city. Kasi hindi natin maalis yan, everyday andyan yung threat. Nag-aantay lang sila ng opportunity kung saan sila makapasok. So kagaya ng sinabi ko, we are appealing for the cooperation of all the units assigned in the city, especially the augmentation of personnel from the SOTF and the Provincial Command, since medyo nararamdaman po namin na ever since we know na may threat tayo, pero medyo nga very alarming yung situation ngayon dahil for the past few weeks may mga shooting incidents, tapos meron tayong natatanggap ng mga threats for kidnapping, itong mga extortion. So I think baka pwede nating doblehin yung pwersa natin dito until such time na makita natin na medyo stable na, so siguro we will make another necessary plan. Pero for now, we really have to strengthen yung security natin dito sa Isabela with your help and cooperation, no? Yes.
I suggest na you set aside a meeting to all barangay chairman.
Yes, we will do that.
Emphasizing their aim yung organization of the parts ng barangay chairman. And kasi sa organization niya, may one police supervisor na yung cadre. Staff ko, ganun din eh. May cadre na po. So, ganyan din sa amin yung, siguro, I don't know kung mas barot sa secretary. Binago lang ang pangalan. Kaya mag-ipats sa police auxiliary unit. So, they are authorized per barangay 20. Ronda-ronda with one police supervisor.
Yes, as I was saying, we will meet with the officers together with the DLG. We will come up with the legalities and what we should do with this for the implementation. Then we will call up all the barangay chairmans kasi kung